Losing a key totals your car. Sounds crazy, right? But it's not only real, it's on the rise. Let's take a look at why. This is Bob. Unfortunately, he just lost his only car key. Like most of us, Bob's car uses those new high-tech keys you can only get at a dealership. Bob knows car keys are expensive, so he adds up how much it'll cost to get back on the road. He calls the dealership, who tells him his keys are $400 each. The dealer recommends he gets 2 keys, otherwise he could find himself right back in the same situation. Add the cost for a tow truck, and now Bob's looking at $1,000. The problem is, his car's only worth about $900. Now Bob has a tough choice. Should he spend all that money on his old car or junk it and use the money as a down payment on a new car? Remember, the only reason Bob's car doesn't run is because it's missing a key, so he knows he'll get good money for it at a junkyard. So that's Bob's choice. And it could be worse, because the cost to replace keys for many vehicles is much, much higher. It reveals a new trend. For the first time in automotive history, the cost to replace a set of keys can easily exceed a vehicle's value. And once salvage value exceeds total repair cost, consumers will make the difficult choice to dispose of what's for most of us the second largest purchase of our lives. Vehicle build quality is improving, so we're keeping them longer and longer. Many of your customers keep them till the very end. This is an opportunity unfolding for retailers. More and more drivers are increasingly desperate to find affordable key replacement solutions. Solutions you can deliver with Car Keys Express. Next, we'll show you just how big this opportunity is for retailers.